Tools. Every screen has tools available to help you. Sound, instructions, translation, and help spots. The sound icon can be found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on the sound icon displays volume control. Move the slider up to increase your volume and down to decrease the volume. If you are unable to hear any sound, click on the arrow on the drop-down box and then choose the USB option. This is the instruction icon. Instructions for each screen will automatically be displayed as you move from screen to screen. The automatic display can be turned on and off by clicking on the icon while the instruction box is open. A gray icon indicates that the automatic display is on. A red line through the icon indicates that the automatic display is off. When the automatic display is off, instructions can be viewed on demand by clicking on the instruction icon. Click on the X to close the instruction box. On the bottom of the screen is the translation button. Translations can be turned on and off by clicking on the translation button. A gray translation button means that translations are turned off. A red translation button means that translations are turned on. With translations turned on, place the mouse over the words on the screen to view translations. Translation buttons can also be found in instructions, and help spots. Click on Help Spots at any time to enter Help mode. In Help mode, the screen freezes, turns gray, and help spots appear. Click on a help spot to display its help text. Click on the translation button within the help text to view help in your language. To turn help mode off, you can either click on the Help Spots button or click anywhere in the gray area.